Hello guys, you're from Economy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can rebalance your DAA with our new rebalancing tool. So what you need to do is simply log into your account, go under My DAA section, click Rebalance, Rebalance Structure, and simply input the structure that you want to have. Here at the bottom of the page you also have two shortcuts. You can copy your last rebalancing or simply clear all. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to input the new structure and I'm going to add icon into the structure. So you simply type the name of the assets or the ticker, click on it, write the amount of the asset that you want to add. So in this case, let's say 10%, click add. Let's say we also want to add ICN, 30%, add. So right now we're at 40. Let's say we want to have 10% of Litecoin, 10% of Ripple, 10% of Bitcoin, 25% of Monero, and 5% of Ether. On purpose, I put only 5% of Ether into the structure, just to show you that the system's not going to let you do that. So the minimum allowed amount of Ether as well as Bitcoin is 8% at the moment. That's for liquidity reasons. So we'll need to change this to 10%. Just wanted to point out that. And Monero at 20. Okay, so now we are at 100. Everything should work fine. Here on the right hand side, I just want to point out one thing, and that's the change comparing to target weight. So that's your current target weight. In this case, we're rebalancing 40% of our AUM, meaning that the extra fees will apply. That's why it's also in red, and it's also going to warn us in case we're going to want to submit this rebalancing. So we check that, click submit, and that's it. Once you've done that, you can sit back and relax. We're going to take care of the rest. So we're going to confirm your rebalancing, and as soon as we do that, the system's going to start generating the trades and fitting the orders. But in case you change your mind, you can still cancel your submission, edit structure. Let's say you change your mind about Monero. We're going to put Monero at 10 and Ether at 20. Okay, preview, again, confirm and submit. That's basically it, guys. In case you're going to have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email. I wish you a great day and successful management of your DAA. Bye.